What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the cowl on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. With the hood open, we're going to remove the wiper arm. I'm going to use a 14mm socket and a ratchet. And you can take that nut off. Good idea before I take that off, you can take a piece of tape or even a crayon or something and mark the windshield where the wiper is. So that way when you put the wiper back on, the arm back on, you're gonna put it in the same location. If the wiper arm is very stuck onto the wiper transmission, you can use a remover tool, or you can just try to grab the arm and just pull it up, just rotate it back and forth, just go back, up and down. Generally, it will break free. There we go. You just wiggle it and pull it off. And we can do the same with the other side. So there is 7 of these little push retainers that I need to take out. To take these push pins out, you just take a Phillips head screwdriver, very gently loosen up the center. And then you can pull the center out, and then you can pull the base out. Do the same on the other ones. So now I'm gonna grab underneath here. I'm just gonna raise it up. It might be stuck a little bit. There is some like insulation under there. So just go along just like that. Right here, I'm just gonna use a trim tool, get underneath here. Be careful of the windshield. You don't wanna pry up. There's a little clip right there. There'll be one on the other side as well. Just pull that off. All right, from this side, I'm just gonna grab under the cowl, pull it straight forward, just like that. And there's other clips underneath here. This one's a little bit loose. Just grab under here. Pull that out. Those are the clips on the back side. And right there. And there's the cowl. Now we can take the cowl, slide it under here, slide this side under here. Lined up. Once it's all lined up, you can start to push in the clips up top. Take these trim pieces, and this is just gonna line up over here. Press in right there. Same on the other side. Now I'm gonna put these push pins in. Just slide this in position. Sometimes it's a little bit hard because there's all these fingers. So I try to put it in at an angle and then twist it and push it down. Do the same with the other ones. Take the wiper arm, line it up with the tape that we put on earlier. Just push it down. Take the nut. Then I'm going to take a 14mm socket and a torque wrench. I'm going to torque this to 26 foot-pounds, and then I'm going to do the same with the other side. I'm gonna hold the arm while I torque this.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.